How to fix invalid user in Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can fix invalid user in Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if Discord says whenever you're trying to log in that it says invalid user, first of all go to the login page and make sure your username or your account information is entered correctly, such as your email or phone number and then your password. And once you make sure that your details are entered correctly, then only you can tap the login button that you can find here and make sure to sign into the account. If you in case happen to forget your username or password, you can tap on the forgot your password option here. Once you tap on forgot your password, you'll be able to go ahead and then reset them if you'd like. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.